Great things will be way easier to achieve if you make important sacrifices. If you don't really make the sacrifices, it's going to be much more difficult to achieve greatness. Looking back, sacrifices that I've had to make along the way were not only working from 9 to 5, but working from 5 to 9, and I still do that today. Great things will be way easier to achieve if you make important sacrifices. If you don't really make the sacrifices, it's going to be much more difficult to achieve greatness economically, financially, in your career. And if you just work 9 to 5, it can be fine. It's going to be way tougher to break out and achieve greatness if you're just giving it the 9 to 5. I always wanted to achieve more and do more and rise up a little bit more than just working a 9 to 5 gave me the opportunity to. There were countless, and still are, countless nights where I'm pulling all-nighters. I'm waking up at 3 in the morning, I'm working for a few hours. I lock myself in a room and I work and I get stuff done because I get pumped, I get jacked, I get motivated for it, I get really competitive about it, I get really into it. So that's all a sacrifice. There are two sides to every coin because when I do that, it's time away from my family, from relaxing, from reading things that I would otherwise want to do. But these are things that have to get done, so I challenge myself and push myself to do them. Two sides to every coin.